Use of natural and artificial fertilizers. Why are fertilizers needed in agriculture? How do natural and artificial fertilizers differ? How do fertilizers increase productivity? So fertilizers in agricultural ecosystems increase efficiency of energy conservation along food chains, which improves productivity. So fertilizers improve productivity. The need for fertilizers. All plants need minerals and nitrogen. Most food production is intensive and it's used repeatedly for a maximum yield of crops. Demands on soil, mineral ions are continually taken up or harvested. The mineral ions the crops have absorbed are removed. The need for fertilizers. In natural ecosystems, minerals are returned when plants are broken down by microorganisms. However, in agricultural ecosystems, the crops are harvested, so therefore taken away from the environment. The urine, feces and dead organic matter is not returned to the same land. Mineral levels fall, therefore they need to replenish mineral ions or it will be the limiting factor for plant growth, and therefore productivity will be reduced. Therefore, fertilizers can be added to the soil to overcome this problem. There are two different types of fertilizers, so natural or organic fertilizers. This could be things like dead, decaying plants and animals and their waste. Manure and bone meal are examples. Artificial or inorganic fertilizers are mined from rocks and they contain nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. A combination of natural and artificial fertilizers gives the best productivity. Too much fertilizer does not increase productivity anymore. Plants need minerals for growth. Nitrogen is found in proteins and DNA. Plants with nitrates grow earlier, taller and have a greater leaf area. This increases the rate of photosynthesis and productivity. This provides us with cheap food. Environmental consequences of using nitrogen fertilizers. What are the environmental effects of using different nitrogen fertilizers? What is meant by leaching and eutrophication? How do these processes affect the environment? Detrimental effects of fertilizers. Fertilizers can reduce species diversity because nitrogen favours the growth of grass and nettles and other rapidly growing species. These outcompete other species. In a species-rich hay meadow, they can survive in low nitrogen levels. Leaching leads to pollution of watercourses, and eutrophication can be caused by leaching. So leaching is where nutrients are removed from the soil. The rain dissolves the soluble nitrates deep into soil beyond the roots. The leached nitrates get into watercourses or streams that can drain into freshwater lakes. This has a harmful effect on humans if it's a source of drinking water. High nitrate in drinking water can decrease oxygen transport in babies and it can be linked to stomach cancer in adults.